Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Last time we were doing an unboxing of this Classic Flowers Mini Dazzle by Diamond Art Club, and today I am going to go ahead and start getting that kitted up so I can work on those canvases. Now, I might be able to get them all in the small containers, but I am not 100% sure. All right, so looks like we're going to start with the 135s. Let's see how staticky they're going to be for me. This is an older kit, so maybe they won't be so bad. Come on. Maybe. This is the first time I've ever actually kitted them all up when they were separate like this by Diamond Art Club. I've always just done one canvas at a time. But I can see why maybe people didn't want them to be separate like this. I liked it before because I would travel and then I could just grab a pack and go. But this is a lot of extra waste and a lot of extra time. Oh, and now I am making a mess, which is fine. I think that was all of them. All right. Get our sticker. Oh, I did really badly with that one. I did badly with that one again. Oh my goodness. I always have a hard time getting these stickers on. There we go. There goes another one. A little bit of static in that one. You can see them sticking to the side. And another mess. And I dumped some more. I would like to say that that is highly unlike me and I don't know what's going on, but that is exactly like me. So yeah. There goes another one. I should have done that different. You cut it across the top like that, it doesn't give you as clean of a pour area. And that was my mistake on doing that. I'll show you on another one if you've kind of ever had that problem. These ones are a little staticky too, which doesn't help. When you cut across the top edge like that, you kind of get this thicker border on both sides. Now if you turn it and cut this way where you have one side that's flat, that will give you a much cleaner pour spout for your diamonds. See, that came out much better because you don't have that extra flap of plastic hanging off the little bag. You know, those ones are definitely much more staticky. This one's really staticky. Oh, they're jumping everywhere. Sometimes blowing in the bag a little bit helps. Doesn't seem like it's going to help so much with this one. They're still jumping out everywhere. This one's definitely a hot mess. Thankfully, we only have one bag left because we're cutting it close on the what will fit. Well, it looks like we have some pink ones in there. I'll get them out when I actually start working on the kit. Not going to bother digging them out right now. Let's see if we can get all these guys to stay in there. Easier said than done. They are still jumping. Now thankfully this one already had a dryer sheet in it from the last time I was using this container. So hopefully that will help tone down the static before I use that color. I think those pink stowaways are probably from this package. Helps if I put the sticker on the right direction. Any of you have tips or tricks on how to put these darn stickers on halfway straight? I'd appreciate it. It looks like I missed getting these guys in here. Looks like I'm going to have to get a couple more little containers. Be right back. All right. Last 3 containers. I don't know where the green ones keep coming from. All right, that was the last of the kitting up. So next time we can start working on diamond painting some mini dazzles. Thanks everyone.